Hello all and welcome to this video. Sometimes for security reason we are like to change default login URL of our WordPress website. It is really a easy task to change login URL of a WordPress website. To change the login URL of a WordPress website, we just need to do two simple processes. 1. Install WP hide login. 2. Go to settings, general, login URL and change login URL of your WordPress website. It is as simple as that. Our WordPress site generally login URL is something like that by default. yoursite.com/wp-admin or yoursite.com/wplogin.php. Okay, enough knowledge for now. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard first and see practically. Now just go to the plugin section. Okay, plugin, new plugin, add new. Search for WPS hide login. Okay, this is WPS hide login. Install now and activate it now. Second step is we just need to go now settings, general. Now this is login URL, whatever it is you can give, and there is a redirection URL too. So just set it up and save changes. Okay, let's check that it is working or not. So just instead of WP login, okay, WP login is now redirecting to 404. We set it up and now instead of WP login, JS. Okay, JS is working. You can give anything you want. So hope that this video is helpful to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family.